3, 2, 1, go!
Playoff match 4, the last one of round 1. We remain in the upper bracket. One piece of level 4 coral for the Blue Alliance. That's going to be worth 7 points here in Autonomous. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of coral. They're going for a 5th, and that's good as well over on the Red Alliance. 5 times 7, 35-ish points, plus the additional points from their leave, puts our live score at 58-20 in favor of Alliance Free in red. Thus far in our upper bracket, we've seen Red Alliance wins across the board, so we'll see if the Blue Alliance is able to catch up and take that lead. 80-32 is Sasquatch out of Seattle Academy. They make their way carefully along the backside of the reef. It looks like they're heading towards the barge zone to play some defense deep in red territory. Skunkworks, I see a solid status light, unfortunately. They were doing some pretty good offensive action in their territory. Our field crew looking to help them reconnect to try to get them enabled. Meanwhile, they're being assisted by their alliance partner 948 is NRG. They're quickly scoring on the reef as well. Another level 4 coral, good for 5 more points. Seattle Academy down in red territory, but playing defense. They bump against Otter Chaos before making their way back towards the blue barge zone. Otter Chaos delivers that coral to the reef. Now raid the Raider Artificial Intelligence Division. They use their arm. They snag a piece of algae and drop off a piece of coral at the same time. And now that algae destined for the net is good for 4 more points to the Red Alliance. Triple-digit score, 137-54 with 45 seconds left to play on the clock. All 3 Red Alliance robots focused on offense as Tink Rex makes their way to the front coral station. Now a piece of coral, they make their way back. They pass by Raid, who successfully scored in the reef. Tink Rex, I believe that's a level 2 score, 3 more points. Raid smashing that tube on the ground, trying to make sure it's in their machine. Lands in their manipulator. They line up with the reef with 20 seconds or so left on the clock. Otter Chaos racing around the back of the reef. One last coral in their possession. They place it in level 4, 5 more points. Tink Rex lining up with a deep cage at the backside. NRG up in the air off the ground. Seattle Academy lining up. Deep cage successful. Several robots in the air. All 6 making their way back to the barge. Alliance takes the win. 169-114. An excellent effort from both alliances with triple-digit scores. That means we'll see Alliance Free later on in the upper bracket in match 8.